This is Jacqueline Michelle Norris, and this is my Module 11 presentation for the ways to handle giving gifts legally. Standards addressed in this presentation include ISTE 2B, which includes creating a strategic plan, and NS number 1-1.1c, which includes developing and communicating a plan for a successful school. This module deals with knowing exactly how to use funds and purchasing gifts. These regulations are a part of any good strategic school plan for a school, and expectations to follow the procedure should be communicated effectively. Student gifts are paid for with fundraising money for participating students. An example of these student gifts includes tickets to a local or nearby amusement parks. Special achievement gifts are usually paid for with the general fund by the PTA or a particular department, like the athletic fund. Examples include meal certificates and school parties. Gifts for staff members are categorized into three sections: all staff gifts, fundraising incentive gifts, and special occasion gifts. Each site will have funds for donated funds, school fundraising, and staff remembrance funds. Examples include staff apparel, gift certificates, and wedding gifts. The textbook notes that it is usually better to solicit the PTA or other parent organizations for things like illness funds or catastrophic events. A principal must remember that any cash or cash equivalent received from the school is taxable and must be reported accordingly. The textbook also notes that it is perfectly acceptable to have any of these event funds managed by the local bank. Remember, a school must have proper accountability for all gifts. Also, don't forget that thoughtful acts are good for school morale and community building. When they are purchased with school funds, there are procedural guidelines that must be followed. References for this slideshow include the textbook titled School Money Matters, a Handbook for Principals. This concludes my presentation, and thank you kindly for watching.